Alright guys, let's roll out our very first recipe on the show. And for this one, I'm doing a little flashback. Got some inspiration from a show that we did over the carnival season. Yeah, carnival this year. Seems like a long time ago, eh? Carnival 2020. We remember it for a long time because it's probably the last time we did not social distance. But let's roll out a recipe. This one I did with one of my favorite soca ladies, Nadia Batson. She came on the show and we did a curry chicken quinoa. All about the chicken and showing different cool ways that you can use chicken. That's right. And chicken, this dish that I did with Nadia, she loved it, so I really hope you guys do as well. It's a different way of even doing what we know as curry chicken, because it's also using Regal Quinoa. This one brought to you by Regal and using Regal Quinoa in this dish. It's fantastic. Nice healthy dish with all our local flavors that we know and love. So my pot heating on a nice medium-high heat, and I just want to add about a tablespoon or so of some oil. And this curry mixture, as I told you, it needs to be a nice thick liquid paste almost. And you want that to get in this oil. This is where it gets a little technical because you want to cook off the curry. Important to cook off the curry. Leave it for about a minute or so, but you don't want it to burn. So you gotta watch this guy. Don't run and leave this one because it will burn. Once it starts thickening like this, you're seeing the difference in the thickening. And cooking is ready by smell sometimes. When you smell, you smell when something is ready. Or just about that when it's time to probably either take it off the fire or add another ingredient. So I think my curry is nice and thickened, smelling good. I could add some onions. So just about a half cup of onions, guys, that I add straight to my curry mixture. I use red onions. You can use your normal yellow onions, your white onions. Don't feel a how. Let the onions kind of get all nice and together with the curry. And then I've basically seasoned some diced chicken breast here, salt, pepper, garlic. I have some pimentos in there as well. I threw a little hot sauce because it's curry I'm doing, so I threw a little hot sauce in there as well. And yeah, this is simple basic seasoning, some green seasoning as well, some good Trini green seasoning in there as well. Season it up, and that is going to get happy in this curry mixture. I add it straight in here now. It's time. Get that in there. If you're looking to eat healthy, you want to get away from the rice and the pasta and that kind of thing, Regal Quinoa is here for you. Because this is a dish that you can have with your curry chicken and with any type of chicken that you kind of want to flavor your dish with. And as I said, kind of stay away from the heavy carbs, the rice and the pasta and that kind of thing. It's all about chicken. And I tell you, this quinoa goes really well with it. So I just want to turn my chicken here now. I want to just get a nice sear on either side and get the curry all flavored up nicely with my chicken. Oh, this curry chicken making me feel for authentic roti. Right guys, my curry chicken looking good. At this stage I'm just going to add some more veggies. So I have some green peppers that I will throw in there. And this is optional, but you know me, I think when you're watching this show now, I kind of throw mushrooms in everything. Once I have fresh mushrooms, I find a way to use it. So I'm throwing some mushrooms in here as well, but very optional. If you don't have mushrooms, yeah, you could add some peppers, some carrots. You know, you can do what you want with this dish. It's not the traditional curry chicken dish, as I said, but the curry flavor is what you're looking for here. That nice, rich Trini curry, robust flavor is what you're looking for there. You get that going there. At this stage, you can just kind of re-season. Salt, pepper, right? Just a little bit. Make sure it's all nice. My curry chicken is just about reaching that point of a nice stage where I'm sure it's ready. I am just adding some cumin and some paprika. It's just about a teaspoon of each spice. That kind of will just give it that little extra flavor that you're looking for, kind of thing. Mix that in. That is smelling so good. At this stage, all I am doing is adding this lovely Regal Quinoa. I like to add half first, because when you add, you can't take back out. I learned that the hard way. So I add half just to see the type of mixture and consistency I'm getting. You really want just to get that quinoa all mixed in with all the wonderful curry flavor. The chicken flavor will absorb. It will all become one nice little one pot dish that you can serve up. Now, they enjoy this dish, guys. I hope you do as well. I could add a little more quinoa based on what I'm seeing in my dish. Quinoa has become, as I said, a real power food. A lot of people eating quinoa now, substituting it for rice. For those folks who trying to keep that lean, mean figure. And eating a lot of junk, I think, over the last month or so. Yeah, we really have been. So where you can eat a nice, clean meal and add some flavor. I think one of the things, even when I've been trying to eat healthy, eating healthy doesn't necessarily mean eating boring. Look at this. We did our nice curry flavor, and we did a healthy dish by just adding quinoa, Regal Quinoa, instead of rice. And this is ready to plate up, you know, guys. I just want to make sure I get some chicken. Follow the directions of the quinoa in terms of boiling the quinoa. It's really, really simple to do. Directions on the back of the pack. Follow those directions. Quinoa could be tricky if you don't follow those directions. It doesn't boil like how rice would boil necessarily. But once it's done well, it really does absorb all the wonderful flavors of whatever you put into it. Check it out. Wonderful dish, one pot. Like my little healthy curry pilau. Like a healthy curry pilau. Banging with good flavor. One chicken dish down, 2 more to go. Come on back.